future Juliana here. I realized that I never filmed an intro to this empty apartment tour. So welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. I wanted to just film this empty apartment tour as soon as I got into the apartment before all of our stuff came in. And I had to wait a little bit to share the apartment just because I told my family that I would share and let them see the apartment for themselves first before I shared it online. So that's why I kind of waited a little bit, but now that we have some of our stuff in, we're gonna be starting to furnish our apartment. So I wanted to get this up before I shared a furnished apartment tour. So I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. All right, you guys, so we're about to go in right now. So when you walk in, you walk into the kitchen area, super nice and airy, and we have a nice view. So this is the kitchen, the sink. We have a ton of counter space and a lot of storage in the kitchen. And then back here we have the den. So we'll most likely put office stuff here. And then we have this massive closet storage space. So big. And then we have our washer and dryer room right here for laundry. Just have this nice big space. And then the first bathroom is right here. I love all of the marble floor and just like the details. We literally just got the apartment maybe like 15 minutes ago. So it's empty. We have some groceries that we just got. And then love the fact that the fridge is hidden. Looks like a cabinet. And we're gonna walk over here. This is the living room area. TV will go right here. And we have this nice console area for more storage. Our balcony is right here. And then we're gonna go into the guest bedroom. So we have another big bathroom right here. Shower. Walk into the room right here. Nice floor-to-ceiling windows. Perfect space for like a guest bathroom or guest bedroom and an office. And then this has a pretty big closet too, which I'll probably end up taking over for myself too. Perfect. And then last but not least, we'll take you into the master bedroom. Again, nice big windows. This also is a door to the balcony, as you can see. And when you turn around, that's the kitchen where we just came from. We actually have two closets, so this is like a smaller one, which I'm trying to convince Jerron to take. And it just closes like this. And then we have the walk-in, which is going to be mine, hopefully. So you have a lot of shoe space and just racks, and I like the drawers too. Just so much space. And then we have this nice full-length mirror. I feel like this closet has like a security or like alarm or something that keeps going off. But anyways, I'm gonna take you into the bathroom. We have the Jack and Jill sinks, and again, we have a lot of storage, which I'm excited about. And then there's me again. I literally look scary. I'll probably do an intro to this video, so if you saw the beginning of this video and I look not like this, it's because I filmed this first. But I just wanted to show you this before we started to put stuff in our apartment. All of our stuff is gonna be getting here within the next, hopefully a couple days, but it could be up to a week. So we bought like an air mattress to sleep on for now until our stuff arrives. But like I said, I just wanted to show you an empty apartment tour before we start furnishing it, so you can kind of see like the whole process of us furnishing. So yeah, this is the shower, bathtub, and then the toilet is right here. I like how it has like a little separate room, but I feel like the bathroom is just a really good size space. And again, love the amount of storage it has. So this is the master, the living space, the kitchen, the den back there with all of our stuff, and then the guest bedroom. Yay! Okay, so as most of you guys may know, if you watch my Instagram story, you saw that we moved in a few days earlier than expected, meaning that we don't have any of our stuff. So luckily I was able to order this on Amazon and it came super fast. I ordered it a few days ago because we're gonna have guests within the next couple weeks. So I just thought I'd have this for the guests too. I am also gonna order a guest bed to go in here, but that hasn't arrived either. So this is gonna have to do until our guest bed comes, and then hopefully our real bed comes. But basically I just got it off of Amazon. It's a little bit pricier than a regular air mattress because it's supposed to blow itself up and like basically take itself down. It has like a built-in pump, but I just wanted something that I could hide in the closet after because I didn't want to buy 2 guest beds when there's really only 2 of us living here on a daily basis. So we're gonna see how this works. I'm really curious, but I'll put a link down below. This isn't sponsored, but I just wanted to take you along the ride because I like this kind of stuff. You guys, she is Miss Stunning Queen. Air mattress. Love the fact that it's on like a platform, and I discovered that it has a deflate setting, which is amazing because I absolutely hate deflating air mattresses. It takes forever, and it actually stays in the like pack that it comes in, which is really nice because it has wheels. So when you take it out, it literally looks kind of like a suitcase and you can roll it around. So I just think it's all around an amazing purchase, but I'll let you know how it holds up. But like I said, I'll put the link below if you guys are interested. Not sponsored, I just get excited about random new house things.
We finally made it to our place. I know you probably showed when we first got here.
Yeah.
But it was like super dirty. Super dirty.
You couldn't really tell though because of the
but it was
color.
dirty. I guess it was a quick move in, move out. I guess the previous tenant moved out like literally like yesterday. So they had to do it yesterday, but this place looks a lot better. It's so clean and white. It's big, it's nice. Have you showed them the amenities and stuff?
No.
Oh,
not
yeah.
yet.
But that's the best thing about this place. And then we have the basketball gym, a soccer field, 6 swimming pools, a movie theater, a lot of things. Yeah, super dope. As soon as we got here, she already cleaned all the closets. She said, "This is my closet."
No.
She wants to take not only this whole closet, but also the whole closet in the guest bedroom. So that's what I'm doing right now.
Alright guys, so we went to Target and it was just a really quick trip. We just had to grab a few things and I thought I would grab a few things for the apartment. We're like starting fresh on a lot of our stuff. So we did bring a lot of stuff from our other apartment too, but it's not here yet. And I need to get some bathroom rugs for like out of the shower and next to the toilet and the bath. So I got some from Target. They're like super soft. They're from the Casa Luna collection. And honestly, everything from the whole collection is so good. And then we picked up some deodorant. Nothing too exciting. But I loved this like white marble toothbrush holder. It was so cute and it's really heavy. I feel like it would match perfectly with like the rest of the marble in our apartment. Then I picked up some essentials. So I absolutely love this toothpaste from Hello. This is the toothpaste that I always use every day. And I saw that they have a travel size. I mean, I don't really need it, but it was so cute that I had to buy it. And then I have the CeraVe Hydrating Foam Cleanser. This stuff is so good. I've been using it for like the past 6 months and I just love it. So I actually had left the rest of mine at my mom's house and forgot to bring it with me. So I just decided to pick some up. I got a sponge holder for the sink. I feel like this is really convenient. I absolutely hate when like John puts or like uses a sponge and then like just leaves the wet sponge in the sink. I think it's so disgusting. So I have to have something to like hold the sponge, and this is perfect, and it was only like $4 and it's just clear. So I like that. And then I picked up a curtain liner. Most of the bathrooms in here have doors, so I didn't think I would have needed one, but then I realized there's one bathroom in the den that needs a curtain, so I picked that up. And then we just grabbed some plasticware because our stuff isn't here yet, so we just got some stuff to hold us over. And we also got paper plates somewhere and like the essentials. So we got a few paper towel rolls and toilet paper rolls and some tissue. And then I picked up some razors. I love my Billy razor so much, and I left it at my mom's house and I'm so sad about it, but I recently ordered another one and it should be coming in a few days, but I needed a razor to have in the meantime, so I just grabbed some razors. So this is the last thing we got. This is the best thing we got, you guys. It smells so good. It's this like watermelon. Is this gonna focus? Okay, it's like a watermelon mint scented soap, and it smells so good, and the scent stays on your hands for like a long time. So if you're gonna get something from Target, get this. So that was the end of our empty apartment tour slash a little bit of us buying things the first day and just kind of getting into our apartment, settling in. And we didn't end up getting our furniture for almost 2 weeks after we moved in, maybe like 1.5 weeks until after. So we had to get a bunch of stuff just to kind of live in our apartment for those first couple days up to a week, because we did also have guests staying in our apartment. So we did have to get some air mattresses, a lot of just like toiletries and whatnot. So that is what I shared previously in a few clips. Hopefully it wasn't too scattered. I try to film as much as I could, and if you follow me on Instagram, you guys know I shared a lot on there too of like what I got. And I also have an Amazon highlight on my Instagram, so if you guys are interested in any of the items that I got when I first moved in, make sure to check that out. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned because I have a lot more videos planned and coming up. Okay, bye, love you guys.